In this video, I'll show you how to set up Webflow Ecommerce. Start by signing into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to create your online store. Next, go to Project Settings and make sure your site is using a Webflow plan that supports e-commerce. After that, open the e-commerce panel from the left sidebar and click Get Started if you're setting up your store for the first time. Now complete your store settings by entering your business information, currency, shipping location, and other required details. Next, connect your payment provider by opening e-commerce, then payments, and linking your Stripe, PayPal, or any other supported payment method. After that, create your first product by going to Products and clicking New Product. Now enter your product name, description, price, images, and any variants such as size or color if needed. Next, configure your shipping options, tax settings, and checkout preferences from the e-commerce settings. After that, customize your product pages, shopping cart, and checkout experience using the Webflow Designer to match your brand. Now preview your store and place a test order to make sure the checkout process and payment system are working correctly. Finally, publish your website and launch your Webflow online store so customers can begin shopping. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Webflow Ecommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.